Hello, teacher and VT. My name is Ralanvan. Today, I would like to talk about my homework. There are six cognitive limitations: self-trivialization, fear of failure, fear of criticism, fear of lack of understanding, fear of lack of condition, and lack of vision for the future. Thank you for listening.